Hi everyone, welcome to Foodie Vibes. Today I present you my recipe of spicy prawn in tomato sauce. First we will marinate the prawn. We have about 155 grams of prawn which I already peeled and rinsed. To that we will add some pepper, paprika powder which you can also replace with chili powder, some salt, 1 grated garlic cloves, and around 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. Give a good mix and let it rest for 30 minutes. Now heat some oil for frying in a skillet and prepare the coating mixture of 3/4 cup of flour and 1/4 cup of golden breadcrumbs. Then coat the prawn well and fry until crispy for 6 minutes on medium flame. Now for the sauce, I added 1 tablespoon of the oil used to fry the prawn, melt 1 tablespoon of butter and half teaspoon of grated garlic and let it sizzle until golden brown. Then add some chopped chilies, depend on the spiciness you want. Half tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of fish sauce, 75 grams of diced tomatoes, and mix well. To that we will add some pepper. Let it cook until it starts releasing the oil and add the crispy prawn and stir well for 2 minutes and turn off the stove. For the garnishing, I like to add some sliced onion and chopped coriander. And here you are my version of spicy prawn that you can eat with bread, noodles or rice dishes. Thank you for watching my videos. Hope you like it. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye.